A new dawn breaks in the weight loss industry with a revolutionary scientific discovery. Welcome to the age of Java Burn, a simple yet game-changing coffee hack that's taking the health world by storm. This is not your typical cup of joe. This is a scientific breakthrough that boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. In January 2024, the world was introduced to Java Burn, a tasteless, dissolvable nutritional formula that, when added to your coffee, gives your metabolism that extra kick. It's a seamless blend of your morning ritual and health. It's like your coffee got an upgrade and you reap the benefits. Imagine sipping your morning coffee, the aroma filling your senses, and knowing that with every sip, you're enhancing your metabolism. And the best part? It doesn't alter the taste of your beloved brew. Java Burn is the perfect partner to your coffee, working in synergy to promote fat burning and overall health. So step aside regular coffee, make way for Java Burn. This is not just coffee, it's your secret weapon in the battle against weight. What makes Java Burn so special? It's the Power Pack Super Nutrients. This isn't your average cup of joe. Java Burn is a unique blend of super nutrients, each with their own health benefits, but when combined, they create a metabolic powerhouse. First up, we have chlorogenic acid, a natural compound found in green coffee beans. It's been studied for its potential to decrease blood sugar levels and potentially exert an anti-diabetic effect. Next, we have Camellia sinensis, better known as the plant that gives us our beloved tea. This little plant is packed with powerful antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Then we have chromium, a mineral that enhances the action of insulin, a hormone critical to the metabolism and storage of carbohydrate, fat, and protein in the body. Following suit, we have L-carnitine, an amino acid that helps the body produce energy. It's crucial for heart and brain function, muscle movement, and many other body processes. Then there's L-theanine, another amino acid found primarily in tea. It's known for its ability to promote relaxation without drowsiness, making your coffee experience even more enjoyable. And finally, we round off with a vitamin complex that helps your body to function optimally, supporting overall health and well-being. Together, these super nutrients work harmoniously in your daily cup of coffee, enhancing metabolism and promoting overall health. With Java Burn, every sip of coffee takes you one step closer to your weight loss goals. Java Burn is not just a product, it's a promise of a healthier, leaner you. This breakthrough formula is committed to your well-being and weight loss journey, standing behind its effectiveness with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, within 60 days of your purchase, we'll return your money, no questions asked. But here's the thing, Java Burn isn't a magic potion. It's a tool, a partner that works with your body to enhance your metabolism and promote fat burning. It's a commitment to yourself, to your health, and like any commitment, it takes time. Optimal results are seen when Java Burn is taken consistently for 90 to 180 days. That's up to 6 months of your morning coffee working harder for you, boosting your metabolism and overall health, so why not give it a shot? With Java Burn, you've got nothing to lose except perhaps a few extra pounds. Java Burn is your risk-free path to a healthier lifestyle. When it comes to your health, we leave no stone unturned. And that's precisely why Java Burn is manufactured right here in the USA, under the most stringent standards. We understand the importance of quality and safety, and that's what we deliver. Each batch of Java Burn is produced with an unwavering commitment to excellence, ensuring that what you're putting into your body is not only effective, but also safe. This carefully crafted formula is designed to work synergistically with your morning cup of coffee. The unique blend of super nutrients in Java Burn enhances your metabolism, giving your body that extra bit of help it needs to burn fat more effectively. It's not just about losing weight, it's about promoting overall health. We've taken the time to perfect our formula, ensuring that it's not just beneficial but also tasteless and easily dissolvable. This means you can enjoy your daily coffee ritual without any changes in taste or texture. So with Java Burn, you're not only getting a metabolism boost, but you're also enhancing your overall coffee experience. Java Burn and coffee, your perfect partners in the journey of weight loss.